Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video, leave comments down below. We want to discuss with you in this particular episode. I'm dashing with a purpose today. This is Saturday, March the 4th, and I will be putting a title to it. I just don't have it in mind right now. We started off our morning, and we got an order from Cracker Barrel. I don't normally do Cracker Barrel, but the reason why I'm doing this one is because of this right here. Alright, we're gonna see how much this payout gonna be, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna find out what this payout gonna be, and hopefully I don't have to be in there 2 hours. We wanted to try. This is our first time having what you call a LOF at Cracker Barrel. This is a large order. I also want to share with you in the floating widget, which is right there. You see the floating widget icon. I hit that. We're gonna hit. This is the total of that, subtotal of that offer. Okay, so we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. And what I'm getting ready to do is pause and resume play. And once I get there, we'll pick up where we left off. Thank you for your patience. Made it back, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in the background right there. That's Cracker Barrel. I just showed you a picture of this order. There were some things that caught my attention. The thing that caught my attention is that it was a Cracker Barrel large fulfillment order. I was interested in it. I know how long it's going to take to do this order, but it had $21 plus on it. I drove half of them 9.4 miles here. Okay, the next thing that was interesting to me when I went to the floating widget, the icon right here, and I looked at the total amount, subtotal. All right. Whether this turned out to be a happy ending to this story or unhappy ending, I'm going to go ahead and reveal the information. One more thing that I noticed was that it's going to Milwaukee Tools. Now you want to hear what it says when you go to the floating widget. Yeah, like I'm not letting y'all see too much of it. Let's go this way. You can hit that there.
Pickup instructions. Drivers to report to the cash stand. Notify the cashier of the order, and then the cashier will retrieve the order for the driver.
Okay, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Now, that's a lot of stuff on this item count. Let's look at it again. Review it. It's going to be 3 signature homemade biscuit and meal gravy. All right, 1 sausage link, 1 impossible sausage, the thick sliced bacon, 3 buttermilk pancakes, and 3 scrambled. 12 items, subtotal $409.88. So this is a true catering order. So I'm going to show it again. They said, why did you show it 3 times so you can get a good look at it? All right, you see where it says high pay orders? Your high ratings gave you priority for this order. So all them naysayers out there says that the diamond program don't work according to acceptance ratings and customer ratings. This is living proof. So I'm going to go in here and find out what it's going to be. I'm going to hit pause and resume play and get set up so I can get this order and meet the cashier. Thank you for your patience. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. We back. We thank you for being able to be there with us. We showed you the first initial payout on the initial offer. This is the payout for that order. Okay, get a good look at it. That's the payout for it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna in our dash. It shows $31, right, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to enter our dash. In the dash. Okay. 1 hour, $31. That's how the receipt's supposed to look, ladies and gentlemen. This is how I get these orders. You know, so that's the time that I had stopped, 1 hour. I keep it on a stopwatch. Let you see it again. It's flashing. Okay, so if you want to learn how to get these orders, if you want to learn how to use the Doordash multi-apping strategies, which use multiple programs and features to maximize your earnings for better opportunities to make a profit, get with your boy, the DoorDash Revolution. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for every episodes. We have the morning live show anywhere from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. or 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And also, we do them throughout the day where we interact in our lives, where you see what's going on. We give more details in our live ride-alongs. And if you have any questions, you can ride along with us. You can type in the chat how your day is going as you ride along with us, or you can be in a conference call with us as well. Also, subscribe to Hot Facts with Robert Reese. I'm also a team member of Hot Facts with Robert Reese. And like I said, this is what we do. We show the best business practice and quality customer service, and we show you how you can maximize your earnings and make a profit. But you always got to keep your clients in mind so you can get repeated business and residual income. Peace, take care, and we will see you in the next video.